Welcome to the Sunny Slim Effect. As the year runs to an end, you should be thinking of how you can do online microtask work so you can earn money online. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 workforce places where you can do microtasks and earn money online. One thing you should know that a micro work is a micro task that has been outsourced to a decentralized online workforce. And a micro work doesn't require a high level of skill. It doesn't require so much skill. All you need to do is just perform the task which you have been issued and which have been given, and execute it, and you get paid. So that is how a micro work is. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 places where you can execute those work and get paid this coming 2023. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you hit the bell notification for more updates on the Sunny Slim Effect. While we head down to our screen, while I show you these 4 amazing websites that can make you make money. Yes, you're welcome to my screen right now. So this is my YouTube channel. I want you all to also subscribe. You can see my social media, you can follow me there as well. You can follow me and get more information on how to make money online. This is Sunny Slim Effect. You can watch my videos, you can comment, you can like, you can share as well. So let's head down to the 4 micro work sites. Site number 1, I give you Microworker. Microworker is the name of this site. You can visit the site at www.microworker.com. That's the site above. You can see, very simple to sign up. In Microworkers, all you need to do is, when you visit the site, you sign up on the site. It's very easy to sign up. You verify your site. You confirm your site from the email they send to you. Then it takes you to this place I am, where you see jobs. There's HG jobs. This is another tab that shows you your tax which you have finished, and these are your campaign, these are your deposit. Then these are the withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. You can click here, and also you can see the withdrawal procedures. You can choose to withdraw your funds from onto. You can choose PayPal as well. PayPal withdrawal minimum is $5. Maximum you can withdraw is 0.0 less fee. Processing fee is 7.50%. So you can also use Skill, and you can also use Payoneer. I advise you to always use Payoneer to do your job because you earn $1, and there's airtime withdrawal as well. So let's head down to the job session. Well, these are the tasks which you've been given, and these tasks are also selective based on location. There are some tasks which are not to be executed by you because of your location. Maybe you are in Nigeria, or maybe you are in Ghana or Cameroon or wherever in Africa. Maybe there are some tasks that are associated, that are being issued to Asians. There are some tags that are given to Europeans. There are some tags that are given to North Americans and South Americans. So while we are in Africa here, in Nigeria here, there are some tags I cannot do. So let's say these are the job name. These are tags that are issued to you. This is a mobile app download and install, sign up, and video upload proof. This is what they want. This is what the company wants you to do, and the payment is $1.50. It has a 77 success rate. 20 out of 30 people have done it. You can see, let's say you are being given another task like YouTube subscriber. You see, head down to another task that can, okay, let's say Facebook page account holder. Let's look for a simpler task to create TTV Gmail, create an account. This one you are going to be given $0.10 and so on. So these are the introduction of the task. You are use template for campaign of Microworker. In Microworker, it's very simple to make money as well. So Microworker is one site I recommend you to use to make money online. It is as simple as ABC to use Microworker to make money. You can get down to your campaign, you can get down to deposit and your account as well. So that is site number 1, microworkers.com. You can work and earn and why offer a micro job by these companies. So site number 2 is Clickworkers. Over here in Clickworkers is a little bit hard to register. What I mean hard is the registration procedure is a little bit longer. It's not as hard as you think I am explaining. So once you sign up, you verify your account through the confirmation email that's going to be sent to your email. You just got to fill in your payment detail, link your Payoneer as well. Over here, you need to link your Payoneer before you start working. You need to do everything perfect. All your information need to be filled perfect before you start working. Then you're gonna come down to the job section, to this dashboard. Once you've confirmed your email, and you can see jobs. These are some jobs. You can see available jobs right now. Download our Clickworker app. You're gonna be paid 0.01 euro. You can see the details of it. When you click details, see the 468 jobs, 120 30 days duration. You can now click start now if you wish to start the job. This is for Clickworkers. So let's head down back to our data. So there's another job of app testing, help train and authentic application. Help train and authentication application 1.0 after customer validation. You can see the details. There's one of video creation. You can upload 3 short videos to help train an authentication application. You can see the details, and you're going to be paid for doing this. These are app jobs, video creation, app testing. You can see them on Clickworkers. So head down to Clickworkers, sign up, and Clickworker has a beautiful part of where you can earn money if you invite a friend. Do you have friends or acquaintances who might be interested in working at Clickworkers? Then recommend us. For each new Clickworker you get to join, you get a referral bonus for 5 euro. That is, as soon as the Clickworker ends and get paid 10 euro, they are going to pay you 5 euro for referring that person to them. So you earn from both way, while you refer and while you also work for them. So Clickworker is another area of this micro work business which you can take. You can just take this micro task and do it from home and earn money. This online workforce is very powerful once you concentrate on the usage, and you can make money from wherever you are. So site number 3 is Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Of course, it is owned by Amazon, the world leading e-commerce giant Amazon. So you can see Amazon workers. You just have to sign up, just as the usual process of Amazon. You sign up, you create your account, at in the same process, and you can see where it will lead you to. Though it takes 3 days for it to be approved. So like mine, I just sign up and I know it's going to pay me in the future. I have to list it as part of the 4 sites I want to expose to you today. So you can see the HIT groups, you can see the dashboard. Once you click the dashboard, you can see how you can transfer your earnings, just the usual way of transferring your earnings. You can see I just signed up. You can see they are reviewing my request to join Amazon Mechanical Turk. So we will email you the Amazon account to sign in with when we have completed our review and when your invitation is available. Meanwhile, if you want to learn more, read our FAQ. Qualification, you don't need any basic qualification for all this work. So let's head down to the job section. These jobs are also location dependent. Some jobs that are being issued are not for your location. So the ones that are for your location will be shown here, like this, like over here, which I've clicked. You can see it. You can see them. I just put. You can see them. Once I've been approved, I will be able to do those tasks and earn money. Let me see the preview of this work. In the market research survey. Let me see. This is what they say: get paid to take our survey. Our algorithm attempts to pair you with the highest paying survey available at the moment that you are eligible for. So with this one, if I'm approved, I just accept. You see, since my account, you have agreement state to continue account before you start earning. So continue set account setup. So you see it still lead me back to the same place because I have not been approved. I just signed up for it. So this is just the simple process. Just accept work. Once you have been approved by Amazon Mechanical Turk, you'll be able to perform that task and you're going to earn $0.05. So that is just how Amazon Mechanical Turk work, and you can visit them at amazon.mturk.com, or you type Amazon Mechanical Turk on Google and it will lead you directly to the page for you to sign up. And you can receive your money through Payoneer. That is how Amazon operates, whether Amazon Kindle or any other product from Amazon store. So it is a very beautiful site to use to make money. And the number 4 site I'm going to expose to you is called Rapidworkers.com. Rapidworkers.com. Over here in Rapidworkers, you can see my account. You can see all these accounts are new, and it is very easy to sign up on Rapidworkers. Very easy. It's the most simplest site to sign up. Once you are able to sign up, you confirm your account. It takes you to the dashboard where you see all the available jobs which you are going to do. Like this job name is email zip submit, get 10,000 Apex coin now, and this job is only for United States people, USA people. There are some jobs that are from Germany, there are some jobs that are from Brazil, for US and Canada, and for international. So you that is an African in Nigeria, so you have to go for the international ones. Best online way is here. Let me see featured. I'm going to be paid 0.43 cents. It's a 2-minute duration work, and let's see it. Once you click it, it will take you to the job description, what is expected from the workers. You sign up using this site. Important, do this simple surveys and earn minimum of $7. Do the simple survey to earn minimum of $7. Required proof of tax will be demanded, which is they need a screenshot after the job is done. They need a screenshot. So this is where you will place all what they required and confirm that you've completed the task. And definitely, if the company go through the review of your work and see that you did it perfect, you are going to get paid. Rapidworkers has a lot of work. Unlike Amazon Turks, Clickworkers, and Microworker. Rapidworker has a lot of work for international people. Look at this simple join. You can see all the international labels on it. So these are work for you to just dive upon and use the opportunity to make money. So Rapidworker is also strict about one thing. You should not use a VPN or any other type of masking IP software. You should not create a multiple account with the same IP or using shared public Wi-Fi. You should use the same IP used with your other account to do tasks. Doing other content tasks that are not for you, don't do it. So all this will eventually get you banned. If you don't get banned, you are going to be kicked out immediately. So Rapidworker is one place you can go. And let's see the withdrawal side of Rapidworker. You can see you can place a withdrawal request only if your balance is over $8. We do only PayPal. Don't message us for something else. You will need to fill the following page here before asking for PayPal. For a withdrawal, send admin at rapidworker.com, your email on the site, your PayPal email, and your 3 IP address under last login on top right. So your payment will be sent within 24 hours. So Rapidworker is very good for you to use and make worker. And with this 4 sites, we just have to keep searching for micro work which fits you and use the opportunity to make money online. So try them, sign up. Very easy to sign up. Use them to your advantage and make money. Don't just sit on the internet and be playing games, watching all sort of gibberish things online. Use this opportunity to make money with these 4 sites I have given to you. And if you find any value in this site, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you comment in this video as well, and make sure you hit the bell notification on my channel to get more updates on how to make money online as well. Thank you very much. See you on the other side.